Minor dents from carts, bumps, or hail can harm a car's appearance and resale value. Modern repair options, especially Paintless Dent Repair, PDR, offer quick, affordable solutions while preserving original paint. Choosing the right service provider ensures high-quality, cost-effective results. Minor dent repair basics. These repairs target small dents without major paint or structural damage. PDR gently pushes dents out without repainting, while traditional repairs use fillers and repainting for damaged paint. DIY kits often produce poor results and risk further damage. Why the right provider matters. Poor workmanship can leave blemishes, damage paint, or weaken the vehicle's structure. Reputable shops maintain value, offer fair prices, and deliver durable results. Tips for choosing a service. Research credentials. Seek shops with strong reviews, certifications, ICA PDRA, and PDR expertise. Get multiple quotes. Compare 3-4 estimates, confirming included costs and methods used. Inspect the shop. Look for clean, organized facilities with skilled staff and past repair examples. Ask about warranties. Ensure coverage for recurring issues and clear complaint resolution. Evaluate techniques. PDR is preferred unless paint damage requires traditional repairs. Consider convenience. Check turnaround times, mobile service options, and accessibility. Verify insurance payments. Confirm vehicle protection, payment methods, and insurance assistance. Check reviews. Recommendations. Use online feedback and personal referrals to avoid poor service. Balancing cost and quality. Choose reputable providers. Know the process. Opt for PDR and use warranties for peace of mind. Maintenance tips. Fix dents promptly, protect your car, clean regularly, and avoid risky DIY repairs. A careful selection process ensures effective, affordable dent repairs that maintain your car's value and appearance. If you need famous dent repair done, call Kevin at 832-275-4374. That's 832-275-4374. Or send email at kevin@DentWerxPaintlessDentRepair.com.